Exercise 5.2. Differentiate the functions with respect to x. Exercises 1 to 8. Question number 1. Sine of x square plus 5. Very easy questions. But all the questions are composite functions derivatives only we are finding. Composite function derivatives only we are finding. How we are solving, you see. Solution d by dx of sine of x square plus 5. First, sine function derivative is cos. So cos of x square plus 5 into d by dx of x square plus 5. This is equals to cos of x square plus 5 into derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 5 is constant 0. Derivative of x square 2x. How? X power of n derivative n into x power of n minus 1. So 2 into x power of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 nothing but 1. X power of 1 nothing but x only. So 5 derivative, 5 is constant. Constant derivative is 0. 2x plus 0, 2x. So this is equals to 2x into cos of x square plus 5. Now second question. Second one, cos of sin x. Cos of sin x. Solution. D by dx of cos of sin x. Cos of sin x. First, cos function derivative is minus sine. So sine of same angle you write it, that is sin x. Next, we are applying the derivative of sin x. Now d by dx of sin x. So this is equals to minus sine of sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. This is the answer. Next to third one. Third one, sine of ax plus b. So how we are solving this one? Solution d by dx of sine of ax plus b. Sine function derivative what? Cos. So cos of ax plus b. Ax plus b derivative, a into x derivative 1, b derivative 0. A into 1 a plus 0 is a. So this is equals to a cos of ax plus b. A cos of ax plus b. Next to fourth one. Fourth one, secant of tan root x. Solution d by dx of secant of tan root x. Derivative of secant function derivative of secant x tan x. Derivative of secant x what? Secant x tan x. In place of x here tan root x. So what we are getting? Secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x. Tan of tan root x. Now secant derivative finished. Now we need to apply tan. So d by dx of tan root x. This is equals to secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x into derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x what? Secant square x. So secant square of root x. Tan derivative finished. Now we need to apply root x derivative. So d by dx of root x. This is equals to secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x into secant square of root x into root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. This is equals to secant of tan root x into tan of tan root x into secant square of root x by 2 root x. 2 root x. This is our answer. You see answer. And next, coming to fifth question. Fifth one, sine of ax plus b by cos of cx plus d. Cx plus d. Solution, d by dx of sine of ax plus b by cos of ax plus cx plus d. It is in the form of u by v whole dash. V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square is the formula. Right? You apply the formula. In place of u, sine of ax plus b. In place of v, cos of cx plus d. U dash nothing but derivative. U dash nothing but derivative. You apply now. This is equals to v. V means cos of cx plus d into d by dx of u derivative sine of ax plus b. We take some left. This is equals to cos of cx plus d into d by dx of sine of ax plus b. Sine of ax plus b minus u into sine of ax plus b into d by dx of u derivative, v derivative. V means here cos of cx plus d by v square cos of cx plus d whole square. Now that is equals to cos of cx plus d into sine function derivative cos. So cos of ax plus b. So cos of ax plus b. Next to ax plus b derivative we need to write. A into x derivative 1, b derivative 0, a into 1 a plus 0, total value a into a we are getting, I am writing here. So a into. Next to minus sine of ax plus b into cos function derivative minus sine. So minus into here minus plus sine of cx plus d. Next to this cx plus d derivative we need to write. C into x derivative 1, d derivative 0, c into 1 c plus 0 c only. So c I am writing here. C into sine of by cos square cx plus d. Cos square cx plus d. This is the answer. Sixth one, cos of x cube into sine square of x power of 5. So this one derivative we are finding. D by dx of cos of x cube into sine square of x power of 5. This is u, this is v. U into v whole dash is equals to u v dash plus v u dash. So like this we have product rule formula. So u means cos of x cube into d by dx of sine square of x power of 5 plus v into sine square of x power of 5 into d by dx of u is equals to cos of x cube. This is equals to cos of x cube into sine square. It is in the form of x square. X square derivative what? 2x. So in place of x here, sine of x power of 5. So 2 sine of x power of 5. Next we need to take the derivative of sine of x power of 5. First power 2 derivative x square power derivative finished. Now function derivative I am writing here. Next place sine square of x power of 5 into cos function derivative minus sine. So minus sine of x cube. Next x cube derivative we need to write. X cube derivative what? 3x square. 3x square. Now this is equals to 2 constant I am writing here. 2 cos of x cube sine of x power of 5 sine function derivative cos of x power of 5 x power of 5 derivative 5x to the power of 4. Next to plus into minus 3x square sine square of x power of 5 into sine of x cube. Sine of x cube. Now last step you see 2 into 5 10x power of 4. 10x power of 4 cos of x cube sine of x power of 5 sine of x power of 5 cos of x power of 5 minus 3x square into sine square of x power of 5 into sine of x cube. This is the answer. Okay. Next to 7th one, 2 into square root of cot x square. So derivative of 2 into square root of cot x square. So 2 is constant. It is in the form of root x. Root x derivative what? 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root of cot x square. Understood? So 2 constant. We leave it that one. This is in the form of square root of x. Square root of x. Square root of x. This is wrong. One second. You see here. 2 as it is. So d by dx of root nothing but square root of x. Square root of cot x square nothing but cot x square to the power of 1 by 2. Right? Now 2 into it is in the form of x to the power of n. X to the power of n derivative x power of n plus 1 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. X power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. This one finished. Into d by dx of cot of x square we need to do here. So this is equals to 2 into cot x square to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Cot function derivative is minus cosec square of x square. Next x square derivative is 2x. Right? And next here 2 into 2 4 in this one multiplying first position into 2 total 8 by 3. Here minus is there. So total minus 8 by 3 into cot x square to the power of 3 by 2 into cosec square of x square. Cosec square of x square is the answer. This one we did long, you see. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x only. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root of cot of x square. Now derivative of cot of x square. Right? Now 2 get cancelled. 1 by root of cot of x square. Next to derivative of cot x. Derivative of cot x minus cosec square x. Minus cosec square of x square. So that is the result of this. This is equals to minus cosec square x square by cot of square root of cot of x square. Here, next to here you see cot function derivative we finished. Next x square derivative what we are getting here 2x. So you write here minus 2x also. Minus 2x by cosec square of x square by square root of cot of x square is the answer. Next 8th question, cos of root x. Solution you see d by dx of cos of root x. Cos function derivative minus sin root x. Next to derivative of root x, so we are taking derivative. Now minus sin of root x into root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. So this is equals to minus sin of root x by 2 root x is the answer. This is the 8th one. Okay.